Good morning. My name is Mark Steven Arlarisma. I'm 21 years of age and I'm from Dasmariñas, Cavite, but I'm currently living here in Palampon and I am from BSMRE Charlie. So the first question is uh, who created God? So my answer is no one created God because the Bible teaches he is eternal and self-existent. As Psalm 90 verse 2 says, God exists from everlasting to everlasting. He has no beginning or end and is the uncaused creator of everything. Asking who created God misunderstands his nature, for he is the first cause who made all things but was himself never made. The second question is the existence of an infinite intelligent mind through DNA. My answer is the discovery of DNA reveals an incredible level of design and intelligence that perfectly aligns with the Bible's teaching that God is the creator of all life. DNA functions like a divine blueprint containing precise instructions that determine how every living cell grows, functions, and reproduces. This astonishing complexity reflects the infinite wisdom of God, who designed life with purpose and order. The Bible declares in Genesis 1, verse 27, so God created mankind in his own image, showing that human life was intentionally formed not by chance but by a creator with perfect understanding. In Psalm 139, verse 13 to 14, David praises, for you created my inmost being, you knit me together in my mother's womb. This beautiful mirrors that what science now confirms that inside every person is a code of life, written by God Himself. The structure and information within DNA are clear evidence of an intelligent, infinite mind fulfilling what John 1 verse 3 states, through him all things were made. Without him, nothing was made that has been made. Thus, both scriptures and science testify that DNA is God's fingerprint in creation, proving the existence of a divine, intelligent designer.